back to my channel. Today I'm making a peppermint crisp fridge tart. So the ingredients are, today I'm using coconut ring biscuits, 2 packets, or if you go to the South African shop you can buy tennis biscuits. It's just a biscuit with coconut in it, or coconut flavor. Anyway, so I've got 2 packets of those, 3 peppermint crisp bars, 1 can of caramel, 1 tub of double cream, which is 284, where is this number now? 284 there, milliliters, and then between 80 to 100 milliliters of melted butter. Right, so let's do that quickly. 2 packets of coconut rings, 80 to 100 milliliters of melted butter, 284 milliliters of double cream, 3 peppermint crisp bars, and 1 can of caramel. Right, so the first step is to empty 1 packet of biscuits in a bag, and I'm going to crush it. I put it in a double bag because last time I did it in a single and the bag broke. So I'm just going to beat it. It doesn't have to be very fine, just roughly. Right, so there's it. I'm going to put it in the container. Add the melted butter. And then I just mix the two together. Once the butter and biscuit has been rubbed together, just flatten it in the base. Then I'm going to put it in the fridge while I make the cream mixture. So that is just going into the fridge now. Okay, the next step, I'm going to take the chocolate and grate it. So this is going inside the mixture. Just roughly, just grate it roughly. If there are big chunks in there, even better. If you have a look at that. Throw the crumbs in there. So I'm going to grate 2 of these now to go inside the cake, and 1 I'm going to keep to decorate the dessert with. So the next step, pour out the cream into a big bowl. I'm going to whisk it now until it forms soft peaks, soft stiff peaks. I'll just get everything out. Good. Right, so now I'm just going to whisk it until I get, oops. I'm going to add a bit of sugar just to thicken it up a bit. Nice and stiff now, it's holding its form. Now I'm going to add the caramel. Oopsie. Caramel and the grated chocolate bar. Adding all of that. And I'm going to blend it, whisk it in quickly, not for long, just until everything is well blended in. And that's it with the mixer. Like just putting all the edges in. So now I'm going to put the cream mix over the biscuit base. Just half. Spread it out. And I'm going to layer the biscuits over it. So just put the layer of biscuits, and I'm going to put more cream on top. So this is going in the fridge and overnight, and then tomorrow I will decorate it. Well, grate the chocolate over it, and I'll crush one biscuit over that as well. So that will be my decoration for this dessert.